Hi, my name is Jaime, and I'm the product owner of the out-of-office assistant for Jira Cloud at Resolution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can control your out-of-office status in Jira from Slack. This can come in very handy if you want to make sure that nobody assigns issues to you while you cannot work on them. For example, if you stepped out for a doctor's appointment, or if you're taking some time off to take care of a sick relative, or even if you're just chilling at the beach without a query on your well-deserved vacations. By creating this connection, you will be able to set up an automation that posts comments to warn that you're not available, but more importantly, reassigns issues to someone who will be backing you up during this time. And the coolest part of it is that every time you need a break, you'll be able to disconnect from Jira with just 2 clicks on your phone. Simply opening the Slack app and setting your status to palm tree or sick face, that will set you away in Jira. Well, I guess that is 3 clicks technically. So what do you need to set this up? First, you obviously need a Slack workspace and a Jira Cloud instance. It can be Jira Software, Jira Service Management, or Jira Work Management. It covers all 3 applications. Then you also need an app from the Atlassian Marketplace called Out-of-Office Assistant for Jira Cloud. And finally, you need the integration that we have published in the Slack directory called Out-of-Office Assistant for Jira Cloud. You can find the links in the description of this video. And if you want to know more about Out-of-Office Assistant for Jira in general, we have a full tutorial over here. The connection to Slack is very simple. You just have to go to the Out-of-Office rule list, and in the integration section, you will see the Slack row. You just have to click on the Add to Slack button. You will be taken to a consent page where you can see which Jira instance will be connected to which Slack workspace. And please make sure that you're connecting the right Slack workspace. Then just click Allow, and then you will see a successful connection screen. Click on Continue, and that will open Slack. And that's all it takes. Awesome, so now we are on Slack. In the app home, you can create an out-of-office rule that will apply to all your Jira projects. Let's add our first rule. This will open a dialog that is a very simple version of what you will get in Jira. First, there's the out-of-office message, which is optional. And yes, I'm really excited about my trip to Mars. This message will be posted as a comment in Jira whenever an issue is assigned to you during your absence. Next, I can choose 1 or more coverers. These are the people that will be assigned to the issue instead of me. Remember that this will apply to every project, so choose carefully. And finally, I can choose how I want to activate the rule. There's 2 different options. I can pick the dates in the calendar, as I would do in Jira, but I can also sync the rule with the status in Slack. Let's pick this first. And now we can save the rule. Now I can check the home. I have an inactive rule that will reassign issues to Andy and Ad. Let's move over to Jira to have a look there. As you can see, the rule is also inactive here because my status in Slack is active. Now let me go back to Slack and I'll set my status as away with the palm tree icon. And immediately afterwards, the rule appears active and issues start being reassigned. When I'm back to work, I can deactivate the rule from the Home tab, but creating my status will do the same job. If I need to change anything in the rule, I can simply click on Modify Rule and make changes to the dates, the cover, or to the message. Now let's change the activation of the rule and pick some dates instead of having the emoji do the work for us. By default, both dates are set to today. If I save that, I can see in the details of my rule that the absence will finish tonight at midnight. But you can pick any other time interval and it will be reflected in the home details and obviously also in Jira. Now, if you change the dates again in Jira, they will also sync to Slack. Congratulations! Now you know how to use your status in Slack to determine whether you are available or not in Jira. Remember that once you've set integration, you can control every detail of the rule from Slack, and this will help your team be much faster acting on customer requests, removing waiting times because somebody is on vacation or otherwise busy. Perhaps they've been assigned to a different project. There's something really important I want you to know though. This is only a first version, and we'd love to know how would you like to use the integration and what other cool features we should be adding to it. We're already working on a two-way sync so that the Slack status can also be changed automatically from Jira when a rule goes on. But there are so many other options, so feel free to drop a comment to this video or share a feature request with us through our support, which is linked in the description below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.